So yesterday we had a Chukum wall added to our wall that we had extended to over a month ago. We have two walls on both sides next to the pool extended so we can not see the neighbors so much. And so they finished it, but they did the Chukum yesterday afternoon, and they had to quit partway through because it started really raining and it needs to be dry for no rain for a couple of days. So they stuck up a tarp and actually scraped some of it off this wall because it was going to go bad, and they tried to protect this wall. So a Chukum finish is an ancient finish. The Mayans used to use it way back when on pyramids and everything. Of course, now it's disappeared off the pyramids and the ruins in the area. But this is what it looks like. You're going to touch it, but it gives it a nice finish. It dries a little bit. It's got a nice patina to it. It varies a little bit, and you don't have to paint it. And it's made out of concrete. A little bit cheaper than the stone that we have here that came with the place, which we're going to keep because we kind of like it. So we told them to wait until the forecast is better, or do we more of this since it's going to be raining probably for the next week, according to forecast. Not that the weather forecasts here are all that great, but kind of predict sometimes. But this is the other wall that they just extended up. As you can see, it was there and now it's up there. That gives us nice view protection from our neighbors when we're on the living room area. That's the bedroom area. That's the living room. And this is the casita, which really right now we use for a kitchen. Don't really want to be there during the day because of all new construction and wall construction thing. But in the future, that'll be more of a home office-y type place. And when we get the kitchen done in the living room area, we'll do it there as well. No, people are showing up. So that's it for here. I'm off to take my walk, and I just finished making breakfast. Usually they're not here this early, usually another hour, but all because of the weather gonna rain this afternoon. They want to get a head start on things. So I'm going to go take a walk. If you're interested in more stuff like this, make sure you like the video, make a comment. Yeah. The saying came in last night on leave a comment if you are enjoying any of this. Encouraging words are always encouraged. If you got a question about anything that's going on our Mexican home beach renovation, let me know. And make sure you subscribe to the channels and hit that bell notification so you get updated on when I come out with new videos. Alrighty. Hey, everybody, have a great time. I'm off to do my beach walk that I like to do almost every morning here because of this view. That's our neighbor who is a caretaker for the area for those beach houses and also fishes. I think he sells it as well. Not just personal consumption, but that's it from here from Mexico. And everything's well. And we'll see you next time. Bye.